Lesson 3.2 is on cube roots. Your learning targets are to interpret and simplify the cube of a number and to determine the cube root of a perfect cube. Volume of a cube, example B, find the cube of 10 or 10 to the third power. So the cube of 10 is 10 to the third or 10 cubed. The way I find it is by taking 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1,000. One cool thing about multiplying tens is however many I'm multiplying is how many zeros that I have. Some vocabulary: perfect cubes and cubed roots. So perfect cubes are 1, 8, 27, 64, and that's coming from 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, and so on. Cubed roots, if you take a look at the box over here, the index is 3. This is the index, that 3. The little 3, it's like it's sitting on a chair. The index 3 in the radical sign shows a cube root. Cubed root of 8 is read cubed root of 8. Let's take a look at the cubed roots real quick. So since the perfect cube of 1 is coming from 1 times 1 times 1, that means the cubed root of 1 is 1. The cube root of 8 is 2, since 2 times 2 times 2 gets me 8. So the cube root of 27 is 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. This continues on. So if you look down here at example cube root of 343, that gets me 7, because when I take 7 times 7 times 7, I get 343. So the cubed root is what is undoing that cubing process. Volume of a cube, example C. The volumes of 4 cubes are given in this table. Find the length of the edge of each cube by finding the cube root of the volume. So in this example, we want to come up with the cubed root of 1, the cube root of 8, the cube root of 27, and the cube root of 64. So 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. So that means the cubed root of 1 equals 1. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So the cube root of 8 is 2. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. And the cubed root of 27 is 3. 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. The cube root of 64 is 4.